People's behavior has to do with one of these three things, especially your children's behavior. If you can remember this, your parenting will change drastically. People behave according to the amount of skill they have, how much experience they have in that, how much information they have, and how much worth they have. So with your children, they may just have not developed the skills because their brain hasn't developed yet. Or they may not have the information because they don't yet have that life experience. Or they may have lack of worth and they may have anxiety about it. Therefore, they behave in a particular way. So always, when you don't understand someone's behavior, give them benefit of doubt. Maybe they are missing the skill because of their emotional brain development. Maybe they are missing the information because of their life experience. Maybe they are missing the worth because they're feeling a disconnection within. And that can develop into a pathology which leads to pathological behaviors. So understand this and ask yourself, how can I help my kid develop skill? How can I help them with the information? And how can I help them with their worth? Buy my new book, The Parenting Map. It's filled with great information for you.